Good day, everyone. In our topic, it's all about perform plant care activities and management. Perform plant care activities and management encompasses all the actions you take to keep your plants healthy and thriving. So, I am the first reporters of my group, and I will discuss to you about plant care activities. So, I have here watering, fertilizing, pruning, pest and disease controls, reporting, propagation. So first is watering. Watering providing the right amount of water at the appropriate frequency. Watering for plants is deeply necessary for photosynthesis, which is how plants use energy from the sun to create their own foods and so that the roots can absorb water. It is required for a seed to sprout, and as the plant grows, water carries nutrients throughout the plant. It is also responsible for several important functions within plant tissues. That's why plants need more water and warmer weather. Second is fertilizing. Fertilizing, supplying nutrients to support plants' growth. Fertilizers are important for planting because they provide nutrients that plants need grow and stay healthy. The fertilizers help plants grow flowers, fruits, and seeds and develop a healthy root system. However, too much fertilizer can be harmful to plants, the environment. Applying too much fertilizer can burn or kill plants' roots, and it can also release harmful greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. So, this fertilizer, kailangan talaga um, hindi talaga siya madami yung paglagay ng fertilizer para yung plant ay maayos maayos siyang tumubo at hindi siya madaling mamatay. That is a fertilizer. Next is pruning. Pruning, removing dead or diseased parts, shaping plants and promoting healthy growth. Pruning is important for planting because it can help plants grow stronger, healthier, and more productive, and maintain plant health by removing dead, disease, or damaged wood. For example, some fruit crops like guavas or any fruits lose their vulnerability to disease or insect damage, and won't produce flowers and fruits unless they're pruned. So next is pest and disease control. Pest and disease controls, identifying and treating any issues that may arise. Pest and disease controls is the practice of preventing or killing pests and disease that affect crops, plants, and other living things. There are many different types of these pesticides and disease that can damage crop production. So what you have to do is reduce the pest and disease populations to levels where they cannot cause economic damage. Maintaining a clean growing environment is crucial. This includes removing weeds, plants, debris, and disease materials to prevent the spread of pests and disease. Next is repotting. Repotting. Moving plants to larger containers as they grow. Repotting a plant is a process that involves moving a plant from its current spot to a new one and can help the plant grow and absorb nutrients. You should repot a plant when it's root bound, meaning its roots are so dense that they're running out of the space. Roots are growing out of the drainage pools in the bottom of the pot and are so thick that they're raising the plants out of the pot. The plant has stopped growing or is growing more slowly than usual, and the soil in the pot dries out faster than expected. Also, the best time to repot the plants is in the spring, just before the new growing season. Lastly is propagation. Propagation, creating new plants for cutting seeds or division. Propagation for plants is important because it allows the continuation of plant species that may be at risk of extinction due to climate change or species invasion. There are two primary forms of plant propagation: sexual and asexual, and nature propagation of plants. Most often involve sexual reproductions or the productions of viable seeds. Okay, that's all. And Miss Madisa, she will continue to discuss in our topic.
Good day everyone, I'm Nordilina Madisa. Our topic is about perform plant care activities and management, but I will discuss the management. So in management, we have four, which is monitoring, planning, record keeping, and adjusting. Plant care is all about keeping your plants happy and healthy. This involves giving them the right amount of water, food, fertilizers, and light, as well as protecting them from pests and diseases. Sometimes you'll need to trim them or move them to a bigger pot. By following these simple steps, you can ensure your plants thrive. Monitoring means keeping a close eye on your plants to make sure they're healthy and happy. Planning. Planning is like creating a roadmap for your plants. Record keeping is like keeping a diary for your plants. You'll write down things like when you water them, what kind of fertilizers you use, and any problems you notice. And the last one is adjusting. Adjusting is like being a flexible friend to your plants. You'll notice how they are doing and change your care routine to fit their needs.